Our sensors collect the data. Our sensors represented on the left here would send the data to a LoRaWAN gateway. The LoRaWAN gateway picks up radio frequencies, so it will not touch your Wi-Fi infrastructure. There is a SIM card in those gateways, and that SIM card sends the data to AWS in the cloud. From there, you can access via any URL browser and be able to see the analytics. You'll also be able to do that via a booking environment as well. Some of the key takeaways: a multi-purpose solution that supports ease of booking, analytics to assist with keeping environment relevant to support types of engagement, understanding the all-important booking versus actual usage. I may book the desk for the entire day, but in reality, I've probably had meetings, I've caught up with colleagues in collaborations areas. I may have only used the desk for 20 to 25% of the time. And been able to quickly view the availability, seeing what space is available in a snapshot. The office will become more fluid and will have busier days and times during the week. Therefore, having this data and being able to support how the environment changes to make it stay engaging for the employee is critical. From a booking perspective, as it becomes busier, if people cannot find a way to book a space, the easier option may well be to not come into the office. Thank you for your time. Please do take time to look on our website for any other collateral that may support you. Thank you.